Want to use your Trust Wallet on Metamask? In this video, I'll show you how to do it safely and manually. First, open your Trust Wallet app, then tap Settings and then Wallets, and select the wallets you want to import. Tap the three dots, then choose Show Recovery Phrase. Write it down somewhere safe. Never share this with anyone. Next, open your Metamask app or extension. On the welcome screen, tap Import using Secret Recovery Phrase. Enter the 12-word phrase you got from Trust Wallet. Then click on Set a New Password and then tap Import. Trust Wallet supports multiple networks. If your assets were on BNB, Smart Chain, Polygon, or others, add those networks manually in Metamask. Just go to Settings, Network, and Add Network, and paste in the official RPC details. Once imported, your wallet will be live in Metamask with the same address and access. Your token may not appear until you import custom tokens manually using their contract address. And that's how to import your Trust Wallet into Metamask in 2025.